Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this stand that this brand sent to me for this video, which it can be for everything. It can be for a book, it can be for a laptop, it can be for a tablet like this one. Even it can be for, check this out, it can be for a projector. You can actually put it in flat position and put a projector in here. And since you can manage the height, this is really cool because what you can do, and I actually adjusted this one too much, you can manage the height on this one, you can manage for the projector. So that is really cool to have, just making sure that you can just manage the height, and the projector screen will be kind of like adapting to this one. So I do like this. Also, it is kind of like really easy to assemble. You're gonna probably assemble in, I want to say like 10 minutes, but probably less than that. And of course, having this over here, this platform that you can adjust the height, like this one, for example, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. And just having a block right here that will not allow for things to actually fall. Let's jump on a closer look so you can see this one better. So I do like this, for example. Let's say that you don't have a tablet and instead you have a book. You can just put this ones and making sure that you have the pages staying still or the book staying still. So that is really cool to have. Again, you have this wooden surface right here that you can change the height, you can change the position, or you can just put it horizontal and put that projector. But also, you have both a heavy base down there so this thing won't fall, and you have this section over here which you can actually, again, manage the height. You can just unclip this and clip it right here a little bit taller if you also need. But you have a place for your phone, which I think it is awesome. You have this extension right here for your phone, and you have another place right here. For example, if you're gonna put a projector right here, you can put the remote controllers, you can put batteries here, you can put whatever you want, you can put your phone. So that is really cool to have along with the base. Yet again, I think the most kind of like cool thing about this one is that you can put anything you want. You can put a book, you can put a laptop, you can put a tablet, and just use it for your home office, for your office, for church, for kind of like a class or anything. You can use this one because it's very convenient and also versatile to have.